Hello guys, this is Ali Solanki and today in this video we'll be checking if I've gotten COVID or not. Now I'm feeling feverish since yesterday and I think this is probably because I went out with my friends on 31st night like everyone. So yeah, I probably have gotten it from there. I took all the precautions, but as you can see, I'm feeling quite feverish. I'm feeling all the symptoms of COVID. So I'll be checking it. By the way, you can buy a COVID test kit from your medical store, and it just costs 250 rupees. And you can basically know if you've gotten COVID or not in just 5 to 10 minutes. Now, because of potential COVID, I was not able to record videos, and that was actually one of my New Year's resolution of not stopping video production no matter what. So here you go, you can see this particular video. Even though I'm not able to speak properly, I hope you like this video and share it with your friends and yeah, spread awareness. So let's just start with the test, and yeah, this is the COVID self test. I think you can buy it for just 250 rupees from your nearest medical store and basically check if you've gotten COVID or not in just 5 to 10 minutes. And here is the unboxing of the test. So the first thing that I got out from this was disposable bag, and yeah, this is the guide. I already know how to basically perform it, so let's just keep it on the side. And yeah, this is my favorite thing, swab. And other than that, I've gotten a couple of things like the antigen test. So this is the most important thing actually in this particular bag. And yeah, this is the liquid. So you basically have to use the swab and then put it in that. Well, let's start with opening this particular container. Okay, you have to be patient with me because I'm trying to open it with just one hand while I'm feeling tired as well. Okay, I don't think that will open in this lifetime, so let me just go ahead with the swab. And yeah, let's start with the procedure. So basically you have to put it in your nose as far as possible and move it 5 times in each of the nostrils. Yeah, you have to do it on both the nostrils, and then you can just put it in the container that you might have opened. Cool, so I've mixed both of them in, and you basically have to move it 10 times now in the container. And once you've done that, you can then break the top part off and just let it fall in the container. Okay, now's the time to actually see if I've gotten COVID or not. So fingers crossed. Let's see. So here you have to put in approximately 3 to 4 drops, and once you start putting it inside that small dent, you will see that there's this particular purple line that is going from the right side to the left side, and you will start to see lines appear on the test kit as well. Now at this point I was quite happy because one line means you have not gotten COVID and it's a negative test result. But just wait for a few seconds and you will see the second line appear on it as well. So yeah, that basically means that I've gotten COVID. 2 lines means you've gotten COVID, 1 line means you haven't. Just to cross check, you can even check the manual. There is the positive result and there is the negative result. As you can see, negative result means 1 line, and positive result is for the 2 lines that appear on your test result. So yeah, I've finally gotten COVID then.